Drillpro 2-set woodworking precision clamping square L-shaped auxiliary fixture splicing board positioning panel fixed clip carpenter square ruler woodworking tool. Keep large panel projects perfectly aligned while you install fasteners, add additional features, or simply visualize your design. Drop easily into any of the holes and secure the square faster and easier than separate F or C-style clamps. More convenient than separate clamps, locking directly into the holes on the squares. The large, easy-to-grip knobs tighten more securely than the round handles found on most clamps. Put your panel projects together faster, easier, and more accurately with clamping squares. Check out the product link in the video description for more details.